How are you? Welcome to Wealthy Coin again. Shibarium will send the price of the SHIB to $1. This is confirmed SHIB news. Shiba Inu is on a collision course with a 200-day MA. As Shiba Inu starts the make or break test of a steady 200-day MA. This is a make or break test for Shiba Inu. Markets are on edge. Yesterday's analysis focused on the important path that prices and the rising 200-day moving average were on, and how they were about to meet. This is what was expected after the price of 1500 cents was turned down last week. In this video, we'll talk about Shibarium will send SHIB to $1 confirmed SHIB news SHIB price prediction. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. So, let's start the video right away. The 200-day moving average is now going through its most important test. With a much-anticipated burn mechanism, a bounce here could send the Shibarium drive SHIB to new heights and boost bull confidence. This is the 9th day of a localized retracement, and prices are currently trading at 1,220 cents, right on top of the 200-day moving average. That's a change of 2.17% from the day before, and bulls are still fighting for support around 1,250 cents. The 200-day exponential moving average EMA is going up, which shows how important this test is. The market tried to settle at this over the weekend. Prices are still above 1,150 cents to 1,200 cents, which is more obvious local support. Traders are waiting for a strong signal from the make or break test before moving the price. When you look at a SHIB's indicators, the signals are less clear. On February 14, the RSI 14 shows a growing bullish divergence at 38.5, while SHIB keeps moving into oversold territory. Notably, the RSI hasn't reached its highest point since February 4, which is 9 days ago. This shows the flow of SHIB off exchanges in an interesting way on-chain. The amount of net transfers has been going down steadily all month. This comes after a big jump on January 9, when coins rushed to exchanges to sell as prices went up. Prices probably started going down in the last week of January, when they hit a wall at 1,500 cents. Most likely, this was long-term investors taking profits after a tough crypto winter. This suggests that the worst of the ongoing sell pressure has passed. So a bounce off the 200-day moving average could send prices skyrocketing up. The balance of exchanges backs up the idea that chain is going to go up. The on-exchange balances of SHIB went down by 5.4% in February. This shows that supply is being gathered and taken off exchanges, likely before the launch of Shibarium this week. A quick look at the MACD shows the slightest bearish divergence at 0.2. This isn't a big deal, and it just shows that the support test was right on top of the 200-day EMA. Our current upside potential is a conservative 1,500 cents. But if prices do bounce, it looks like it could go above this level. This is because of reduced sell pressure on exchanges and the Shibarium news. If this level breaks down, the most likely drop is to the previous support at 1,150 cents. SHIB's current risk-reward ratio is 3.55, which is a very attractive entry with little risk to the downside. In yesterday's Shiba Inu price analysis, it was pointed out that the burn rate for Shiba Inu had jumped by 1,000% in just a few hours. Some analysts think that the market is about to make a big comeback, since deflationary pressure is only going to get worse as the burn rate goes up so much. Shibarium is expected to come out this week, so things could be looking up soon. Shibarium will cause billions of extra SHIB to be burned, which will reduce the amount of SHIB available and, in theory, raise prices. But one of the biggest investors in Ethereum has used the price drop to buy the dip. WhaleStats says that an anonymous Ethereum whale bought 223.7 billion Shiba Inu, which is worth about $2.75 million. Surprisingly, the whale is only the 329th biggest holder. Shiba Inu is the 8th most bought whale in the last 24 hours, based on how many times it has been bought. Blue Whale 73 is what the data provider calls the big investor. At the beginning of February, the whale owned cryptocurrencies worth more than $45 million. He has since started sending his tokens to other addresses, just like he did soon after buying SHIB. The Shiba Inu whale may have used the dip to buy SHIB at a relatively low price, since the launch of Shibarium is still getting a lot of attention. As reported by Bitcoinist Satoshi Kusama, the lead developer of Shiba Inu, had sparked a rumor that Shibarium might launch a Valentine's Day, but he recently put an end to this rumor and said that he couldn't give a firm date for the launch. But Kusama hinted in a message on Telegram that the launch might happen before May of this year. Some people in the community kept speculating that the game would come out on Valentine's Day. Kusama winked at the rumors and said, "Maybe you're just kidding. It will come out before May." With this, Shibarium still doesn't have a firm release date. This has lowered the expectations of the Shib community, which is reflected in the price of Shib. At the moment, the price is still so high that it can have a huge effect on the price of the Shib. However, the longer the hype lasts, the more likely it is that the launch will turn into a buy the rumor, sell the news event. This could mean that the price of the Shib drops sharply on the day it goes on sale because speculators want to sell their ships when they are at a local high. At press time, the Shib price was 1,229 cents, and the 200 EMA in the 4-hour chart was providing support. On the upside, the resistance at 1,297 cents is very important. Elon Musk is still looking for a new CEO for Twitter, so he joked that a dog would be the new CEO. This caused the prices of Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Floki to go up. At the time of press, the prices of all three meme coins had gone up a lot. Doge was up 6.1%, Shiba Inu was up 4.3%, and Floki was up 39%. Musk wrote that Twitter's new CEO is amazing and shared a picture of a Shiba Inu dog sitting behind a desk and wearing a black jumper that said CEO on it. A contract from Twitter with the position is on the desk. CEO, or President and CEO. In a follow-up tweet, you can see the name Floki and a paw print for a signature. Musk also wrote "so much better than the other guy," which made Dogecoin creator Billy Marcus say, "I guess he was the only one crazy enough to take the job." Musk wrote back to Shib Toshi Nakamoto with a wink after he said something. He is just what the job needs. Elon Musk sent 2 more tweets after these ones. Musk said that the first one shows a Shiba Inu dog with what look like balance sheets. He is very good with maths. The second shows the Twitter CEO in a Steve Jobs-like outfit with Musk, adding that his style. The tweets come at a time when Elon Musk is increasingly facing pressure from the mainstream media for his actions and outspoken stance on free speech. Musk said in December of 2017 that he would step down as CEO of Twitter once he found someone who could keep it going. Musk said at the time that Twitter was going to go bankrupt and that the new CEO would have a very hard job. However, despite falling advertising revenue, Musk recently claimed that the company is no longer in danger, as it is on track to break even. Musk's recent tweets could be a sign that he has found someone to take over. But this is just a guess at this point. The billionaire might be using the Shiba Inu pictures to wrap up the news in a fun way before making an official announcement. No one knows for sure if the job required a preference for Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or Floki. But it's important to note that Musk tweets this time aren't just driving up the price of Dogecoin. They are also driving up the prices of Shiba Inu and